welcome here in this YouTube channel initiated by Gnanmanjari Modern School. This is GE period and we are dealing with conditional sentences. Conditional 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 we have here. No, 0, 1, 2, 3 only. 0 and 1 we have discussed. Actually we discussed number 2 even. But the remaining part is that exercise. So today in this video you will see or you will learn the exercise, textual exercise from GE book. Before I plunge into those exercise, I want to give you the brief introduction or I want to revise the use of second conditional. As you know student that we have already discussed the second conditional very well. Means the second conditional is used for imaginary sentences. And when we use these imaginary sentences at that time, we can use word with I, he, she, it. If I were a principal of the school, I would just remove the exam from the syllabus. So this kind of sentences are there in conditional too. Well, you can make very interesting sentences using this second conditional. If I were a butterfly, if I were Amitabh Bachchan. So these kind of sentences you can make using this second conditional. So we had a fun in that last video and I have given you some sentences to make some sentences in homework too. So you can use these sentences to just create a fun for you all. Okay students? So this is second conditional. Now let's start the exercise of second conditional from the text. Please keep textbook with you and write along with me. And don't forget that you have to use pencil only. You are not allowed to use pen in your GE textbook. So, second conditional, unit number 7, textual exercise. We are on page number 28. Focus exercise A. Make the two parts given in a column A and B suitably to make meaningful sentence. So make the pair is given here. We have to do, what we have to do is we have to pair, to make a pair using A and B device. Suitably it looks like, it must look like that this A part is suitable to part B. First is if Fred were a girl. Fred is a boy here. So it's an imaginary sentence. If Fred were a girl, so we'll just choose B, that he would be a good ballerian. So I'll write answers here, okay? If Fred were a girl, he would be a good okay. So you have to make a pair of, see I am writing 1 B, okay. Second one, if these musicians couldn't sing, they would be miserable. If these musicians couldn't sing, they would be miserable. And the answer is second and E. Number 3 is if I were an astronaut, I would travel to Jupiter. If I were an astronaut, I would travel to Jupiter. Sorry. 3 and A. Number 4 is, if those boys were not such slow runners, they would be good footballers. If those boys were not such slow runners, they would be good footballers. It means 4 and C. Okay students, so this is focus exercise A. Still one is remain. You just note down this. After that I'll write those one and other exercise. Please note down. Number 5 is, so the remaining is the answer. If that lady did enough exercise, so D is remain. She wouldn't be so lethargic. If, sorry. She wouldn't be so lethargic. So 5 is D. Okay. So here we have completed focus exercise A. Now I'll start for practice exercise A. Let's see what is this about. Make conditional sentences with simple past in the if half and would and wouldn't in the other half. Use the hints given. Remember the comma, first one has been done for you. Okay, situations are given here. We have to use simple past as well as would or wouldn't. And we are told to not to forget comma. One example has been done for us. First is baked a cake, share it with my friends. If I were to bake a cake, I would share it with my friends. Second I am doing here. Became a famous singer, be happy. Okay. Second, I would be very happy if I became a famous singer. Number 3, let's see the hint. So an alien not invite him alone. So the answer could be, if I see an alien, I would not invite him home. If I saw an alien, I would not invite him home. This is third one. Number 4 is, got good marks, go to good college. I would go to good college if I got good marks. Okay, so this is practice exercise A. Still 2 sentences are remain. Please note down, student, this. Number 4, I mean number 5, saw a python run away. Okay, if I saw a python I would run away. At 10 oranges, feel very sick. Okay, I would feel very sick if I ate 10 oranges. Okay, so this is practice exercise A. Now we'll go for practice exercise B. Page number 29. Complete the following sentences. Okay, students, half of the part of the if sentences are given here, and what we have to do is we have to complete this sentence using our own imagination. First is, if I were 18 years old. Okay, so what would you do, students? If I were 18 years old, you could do many things. So here the answer is, I would drive a car. This is our answer. Second is, if he knew that I won the cup. Okay, but you haven't won. Second is, if he knew that I won the cup. So he would start jumping. in happiness, okay? In joy, sorry. Okay. Number 3, if I were to meet the coach. Okay, if I were meet the coach. To meet the coach. So what would be happened? I would be selected, that we can say. If I were to meet the coach, I would be selected for this match. Okay, so this is practice exercise B. Fourth one is still remain. You just note down these, students. Number 4 is well, number 4 is if Garima saw a ghost. Okay, so if Garima saw a ghost, she would start screaming. Crying, we can say. If Garima saw a ghost, she would start crying. Okay, students. So this is practice exercise B. Now, last exercise, that is extension exercise A. Let's see what to do in this. Let's play a game, okay? One student has to think of a condition, the next student has to give a result. Oral practice. So we are not here face to face, so you have to do this with your family members. Hint is given. If I were a butterfly, if I were a flower, if I had been born in another family, if I had more friends, if I were meet my favorite actor, etc., etc., etc. Okay. For example, student 1, if I were a teacher, I would never give my student any homework. Okay, so here our imagination is given. So here one student is telling that if I were a teacher, I would never give my students the homework. Second is, if I had not joined this school, so answer is I would be in St. John School. Okay? Now, what we have to do? Hints are given, so we'll make sentences using those hints. Okay. If I were a butterfly, you have to write these sentences in your book. So students, if you were a butterfly, what would you do? Okay, see, if I were a butterfly, I am talking about myself. So if I were a butterfly, I would fly over all the flowers. Second, if I were a flower, okay, so if you were a flower, what would you do? If you talk to me that if I were a flower, so what would I do, students? If I were a flower, I would be very happy. No. Let's take this. I would be very happy. If I had been born in another family, so I would not be that much happy. Okay, that we can say. I would not be this much happy. It means you are happy with your family. Okay, student, you just note down this. After that, I'll give you one more sentence. Please note down. Okay, last one is if I were meet my favorite actor. So instead of that, I would say if I were meet if I were meet I would take selfie with him. So finally, in here we have ended this unit conditional to. Very interesting unit this is, students. Now it's time to give you homework, and your homework I am giving you sentences like this. Complete the sentence. Remaining part you will have to complete. If I were a chair, if I were Amitabh Bachchan, If I were a lion. And the last one is, if I were a ghost. So this part means this would part you have to complete with your sentences. Okay. So I will be waiting for your answers, or we can say interesting answers. Okay students, we'll meet in another video with conditional 3, and I'm sure you will get the same fun in that video too. Okay, so please do your homework, make interesting sentences, and take care. Thank you.